Okay, y'all. We're gonna do another POV drive to work. This time we're not late. See how it goes today. I'm gonna try out a different camera setup. Hopefully, still trying to figure out, you know, like what works and what doesn't work. Last time I used the action camera, it goes a little too high, but we'll end up seeing what works and what doesn't work. But yeah, I'm just gonna let this car warm up a bit. Car is warming up. I want to do another POV drive, but back home, like coming back home, because when it's night, the drive is a lot more fun. Right now there's so much traffic. That shit's like, it's cool, but nighttime, that shit's a lot better. It's more fun. But I was right. As soon as I got to fucking work, you could already tell how packed that shit was. It was so fucking bad. We had more people, but still, like, I was off at 8. I didn't leave till like 8:30. I'm gonna leave a little bit early so I can get there. Just chill in the car. I don't like rushing when I get there. It's so fucking so bad. I can finally fucking wash the car. I'll make a video of me washing the car, trying to clean her up a little bit, because it's been raining the past couple, or for like maybe like 2 weeks straight. It was like non-stop rain, and it doesn't look like it's gonna rain for a bit, so probably gonna wash the car, get her all nice and clean. But I'm excited to do these POVs. These things are fun. Go to bring you guys along with me, because I'm already going to work already, so might as well fucking take you guys. Oh, I'm so fucking sore. There's so many fucking cool cars on this street too. You guys are gonna see, I'll point some out. My girlfriend's Celica, her cousin's IS 300. These houses has a STI, but they never fucking drive it. It's always fucking sitting right there. Let me see where it is. It's that one back there, wherever the dog was. That one's clean. There's a 300ZX Z32 right here. Supra right there. 300ZX. Dude, this thing is fucking clean. I love that color. That shit's insane. Damn, that thing is beautiful. Cool little truck. There's another Supra a little bit further down on that street over there. And then there's like a clean little 10th gen Civic coupe. I wanted one of those for a little bit. Oh, look at this thing. This thing's so fucking clean. Hondeezy. Yeah, I'll most likely record coming home too. I gotta put gas, so maybe we'll record a little something. I'm off a little bit later today. I'm off at fucking 9 o'clock. Usually I'm off at 8. Shit, dude. Damn. RSX that's on that street too. Cool ass Miata. Mustang GT. Scat pack. I love seeing cool ass cars like that. I think the drive from my girlfriend's house to work is a lot better than my house to work, just cause I don't have to merge onto a different freeway. The 5 fucking freeway sucks ass. This I'm about to get onto, it's just a straight shot. It's a lot easier. Not as much traffic either. Out of fucking cold ass winter. It's cool, it's comfy, it's like cozy, you know, but it gets tiring. You can only do a lot. I'm trying to go to the beach, trying to go out, trying to have some fun. We live pretty close to there's like a little mountain pass. I don't know, I saw it on Reddit. It's called Little Tahunga Canyon. It's literally fucking like 5-10 minutes away. And I want to go. I want to go test it out, but I want to fix my motor mounts first because I don't fucking trust that shit. I want to have like confidence in my car before I go. Next week is spring break. Today's Sunday. I don't think I got school tomorrow. I'm just thinking about it right now. I'm fucking excited. This semester, bro, it's been so boring. Like, I don't know, my other semesters have been either like challenging or I don't know, somewhat interesting. Like, I'm taking math because I have to take physics. So I need like the prerequisite. I need to take math before I take physics. And bro, that shit's too easy. Like, I barely fucking show up to class. And like I got 104 on the last exam. Like it's kind of boring. And my other classes, like I don't know. It's just kind of boring. This semester's been boring. I think me and my girlfriend are gonna go thrifting on Thursday. We like to go thrifting. We go to the Goodwill bins and we tear that shit up. First couple times we went, it was kind of hard because like you don't really know what you're looking for, and like there's so much clothes. You're looking through like piles and piles of clothes, but dude, we got freaking good at it. And we have a lot of clothes, either shit that we like, or she wants to do Depop. She wants to kind of like sell the stuff online. I think that could be cool because I have a bunch of clothes that I grabbed that I thought were cool, but they didn't end up fitting me. So I can like sell them online, and hopefully someone else will like them. But yeah, I think we're gonna do that on Thursday. We might go to LA. Try and get as far up as I can, because the further you go up, the less the incline is. I hate this fucking hill. Yesterday I saw my friend's GR Corolla for the first time. He got his little GR Corolla. It's manual. That shit's fucking, it's so clean. I'd never seen one in person, and god damn, that shit's fucking clean. It's like a little wide body. It just like looks aggressive, and it sounds sick too. So you don't really hear a lot of 3 cylinders. Oh, look at that WRX. You don't hear a lot of 3 cylinders, so like, oh, that shit was fucking, ooh, sounded good. I'm so lucky that I got the car that I got in the condition that I got. Like, dude, I was looking at Integras for a fucking minute, and like there were some that were just like clapped, some that were just absolutely smashed, like fucking crazy mileage, horrible paint, third, second motor, or yeah. And it's a manual too. I fucking, oh my gosh. I didn't know how to drive manual before this, but I'm so glad I learned. This thing is so fun. It's not fast or anything, but it's just like, it's light. You can throw it on corners. It just handles everything. Let's see if this light is green or red. Thinking red. Oh, green. That's rare. Still gonna come to a full stop though. Vibing on his bike. That's so fucking cool. ass fucking, oh my god. School. Day to myself finally. Tuesday, I'm back at fucking work again though. Alright, buddy. I need to fucking get in that lane too. Bro, there's a fucking arrow. Oh, so you better be backing up. A whole ass arrow. Like that gang's Mustang. Fuck yeah. That thing is clean. Well, we made it a little bit early. Successful drive yet again. But for real though, appreciate you guys for clicking into the video. I'm gonna try and pump out a bunch of these POVs because dude, they're fun to make. I like making them, and I'm just taking you guys with me. You guys to get to experience it, you know. I want to do other content too besides POV. I want to like actually show you guys the build and show you guys what I'm going to be doing to the car, but make sure to stay tuned, make sure to subscribe so you know when I'm going to upload and stuff like that. But yeah, I do appreciate you guys for clicking on the video. Like always, make sure to comment, let me know what you guys want to see next, and yeah, thank you guys. I'll see you when I see you.